Greetings, seawolves. My name is Shekinah, and this is the event preview where we keep you up to date on all things Scholars Academy. Here is what's happening from November 2nd to November 9th. Monday, November 4th, there will be High School Spirit Week rehearsals and board creation from 3:35 to 4:35 p.m. A virtual college office financial aid night for grades 11 and 12 families will be held from 6 to 7 p.m. Tuesday, November 5th, there will be no school held due to it being election day. Enjoy your days off, scholars. Wednesday, November 6th, a FEM Club meeting will take place from 3:35 to 4:35 in the club room, as well as an SLT meeting from 4:30 to 6:30. And once again, there will be High School Spirit Week rehearsals and board creations from 3:35 to 4:35. Tuesday, November 7th, there will be tours and information sessions happening throughout the building. High School Spirit Week rehearsals and board creations from 3:35 to 4:35. And finally, a medical club meeting in the library from 3:35 to 4:35. Friday, November 8th will mark the end of marking period 1, so be sure to get in all those final assignments. Grade 10 will also be taking a cumulative exam for their English classes. After school, from 1:15 to 3:30, there will be High School Spirit Week rehearsals and board creation. This will be the final day to complete anything Spirit Week related. Lastly, we have our first dress down day of the month of November this Friday. Be sure to abide by all dress code guidelines and enjoy your day. And that's it for the event preview this week. Do not forget to follow us on Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel at TheScholarsNYC. I'm Shekinah, and I'll see you next time.